All right, so we're going to start our vowel intensive review for our OG. So I'm going to hold up a vowel. Remember those A, E, I, O, and U, and you're going to make its two sounds. We're going to start with the long sound first and then the short. Okay, here we go. What's the long sound? I. Short sound? I. All right, here we go. What's the long sound? E. Short sound? Long sound? O. Short sound? Long sound? Short sound? Long sound? Short sound? All right, I'm going to put them up and we're going to go quicker. Ready? I'm going to mix them all up. Ready? Very good. All right, now we're going to practice those long vowel sounds, but with our sound for the week, that E-A. Okay? Remember, E-A, I'm going to grab my card. E-A says E. Because remember our rule, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking, right? So this vowel is going to talk. It's going to say E. So let's practice. Let's go sound by sound, and then we'll blend it together up here today. All right, ready? Here we go. E. Eat. Let's blend that. Repeat. Remember, this vowel says E because we have a vowel, consonant, vowel. So when we divide here and think about our syllables, re is the end of our syllable. So that means this E can make that long vowel sound all by itself. Okay? So we have repeat. All right, let's try another sound by sound. Ready? E. And our blend, repeat. All right, here we go. Another one. And blend it. All right, how about this one? Blend it. Here's the long one. And what's our T-U-R-E say? All right, blend it together. Very good. All right, how about this one? Very good. How about this one? How about this one? Together. Very good. How about this one? Blend it together. Very good. Right, not only do we need to practice our EA, remember you can practice your EA at home with using Spelling City. EA will be on there. It'll be on your Spelling City patterns. But we do have a new red word. So if you'll grab that scrap piece of paper, you don't have to have a red crown, but we do want to practice our new word. So our new red word this week is going to be does. Like that does not work. So do you got your paper ready?
Oh, no.
I have mine that matches our red word page that we normally have. So I know you don't have a red word page, but you can just write on your scrap piece of paper with me. Okay? All right, here we go. Does. Make a D. Start at the top, down to the floor, up and around that midline. D. Make sure you made a D and not a B. O. Start at your midline and go around. E. Start in the middle, up to the midline, around to the floor. And S. Midline and our curves around like a snake to the floor. That's our red word, does. D-O-E-S. I know we don't have the screen today to practice feeling what it looks like, but if you'll just trace over your letters for me, we're going to practice our word does 3 times like we would if we were at school. Okay? Can you write it with me? Here we go. D-O-E-S. Does. One again. D-O-E-S. Does.
Nice.
Let's do it one more time. D-O-E-S. Does. Very good. All right, let's stand up and practice our word does. Okay, remember, hold it out in front of you so you can still see it. All right, and let's tap it. Ready? Start up at your shoulder. D-O-E-S. Does. Again. D-O-E-S. Does. Again. D-O-E-S. Does. Very good. So that is our word does. That's a word that you can also practice on Spelling City too. That'll be in a separate folder. They'll have EA words and it'll have your red words. And every week we add red words, we'll add it to that Spelling City. Okay? All right.